decided to do these mail order produce things. This one's called Imperfect box. There's other ones out there like Misfits or whatever it's called. What they do is they send you a box. This one's every week or every other week, depends on what you choose. I chose every other week, and it's $30 a box. And it comes with various different kind of produce that maybe looks funny or whatever. This one also comes with meat, or you can get grains to go with it, or a bunch of other stuff you can add onto it and add like coffee beans and stuff like that too. Either way, we're gonna go ahead and crack this open and see what we got. Go ahead and do this. I have cameras rolling. Got my scissors. Okay.
We got paper.
Paper's my favorite thing to eat. Okay.
Fiber.
Alright, so we got some turnips. What is this? Ooh. Some fresh ginger.
Ooh.
A bunch of fresh ginger.
Oh, sweet.
Apple. Sweet tater. A pear. Apparently. Another apple. These are doesn't say what kind of apples they are. Another sweet potato.
Those are big sweet potatoes.
Another sweet potato. All the ones we've been getting from these things are big.
Yeah.
Another turnip. Some carrots. A couple more pears. A pair of pears. A red something apple, like the Django.
Oh, yay.
Some lemons. A red potato. Another red potato. Another red potato. Another red potato. Two more appleses. We got 6 onions. Ooh, another apple. Oh, a bunch of big cute little halo-ish thingies.
They're so tiny.
Some yummy salmon.
Yes. Is it the same salmon we got before?
Yes. Exactly the same. Smoked
So
salmon.
good.
Some ground beef.
We got that before too. Last one.
And some apple maple vegan sausage.
Ooh, that looks good.
This was one I opted in to get to add it, to make it $30 on the box.
Mm.
And that is everything. They throw it in with an ice pack, a nice thermal blanket thing to keep it cool. So this is all the yummy goodness you get for $30 a week. That's what came inside this Imperfect box. I've gotten 2 other ones before, and each one's relatively the same with a few different meats. I've gotten different kinds of bacon and everything else before. So you can change and you can add things as you want. I opted in to have meat in my boxes. You can also opt in to have grains instead, or grains and the meat. And there's also healthy snacks you can have added in there too. Each one thing you add is more money to the weekly cost, but you can also, before each shipment comes out, they leave customized things. So you can add it to just one shipment. You can remove stuff from shipments to save money, however you want to do it. I haven't tried any other, pay or mail-in produce things, but I really like the way this Imperfect box does their stuff, and the food looks really good. I'm not sure why they said it was defective, but it looks really good to me. Anyway, if you have ever tried any of these boxes before, maybe a box I've even heard of before, let me know in the comments below to let me know what you think about which one would be more cost efficient. And go ahead, while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you know when I put more stuff out. I'll be putting out stuff I'm going to try to do every single week, usually food related stuff or cooking stuff, or maybe kitchen appliances or something like that. Try out different stuff every week. Just let me know. Put in comments down below what you liked about this video, what you hate about this video, what would you like me to change about this video, and maybe anything else you want to talk about.